We're on the replies page, and here on the left we see all our videos from our channel, and on the right side we see the comments that belong to a selected video. For example, by default, first video is selected and all those comments are listed here. If there are more comments than 25, we will see the pagination here at the bottom. Let's scroll up. For example, let's click on the second video and it will be highlighted here. And here we see comments from that video. And let's look what else we have here. And it's a switch to show videos only with generated AI drafts. For example, if there is no videos where new replies were generated, those will be hidden. Let's click on it. And we see that some of them were hidden, some not, but let's check the same trigger here. For example, here are some comments have replies, some comments doesn't have replies. Let's switch on that switch and we will see that only comments with generated drafts will be shown here. Posted replies like this one will be hidden, or comments without generated replies also will be hidden. That is very useful when you want to manage and approve your replies. You will enable this switch and you will go to all of them to approve them or to regenerate them. After some time, when the system will learn your style and will confirm that most of the replies are being approved right away, you will see those green buttons. By default, those will be disabled because in the beginning, system doesn't know how good it generates replies to your channel. After it will calculate the quality, those buttons will be enabled. And same as on the homepage, here we can generate replies, reply manually, or mark comments that don't need replies. Let's switch off this switch. And for example, this one, welcome to the channel. This comment doesn't need a reply. We will click reply not needed, and this comment will be hidden. It's not deleted, it's just hidden and will not be shown here to generate replies. Next, we can manually reply to the comments, and when you will click on that button, new reply will be generated and it will be empty reply with just a username of that user. Next, you need to click edit and type the text you want here. I will cancel it, I will delete it. And next we have a generate reply button. You can click on it and it will generate a reply. Yeah, here it is. You can flag it. If you don't like it, you can flag it wrong, or if you will find it offensive, flag it as offensive, or okay, or good, or great, if you like the quality. And this will help the system to learn the reply patterns and improve. Next, we can regenerate. For example, we would like shorter reply. Let's click on it and we should get shorter reply. Next, we can edit this reply. I will not do it. Delete, approve, and post. And let's also look at the filters at the top of the page. By default, videos are sorted by publishing date. You can also sort them by latest comments, latest replies, number of views, number of likes, and number of comments. You can also search through your videos. Let's put some keywords here, camera, and we see all the videos with the camera word in the title. And that's it for the replies page. And in the next video, we will look at my comments page.